This is the story of my recent trip to Croatia, summer of 2020. As the Corona-19 pandemic erupted and closed all activities in Europe as well as in the world, I was forced to stay in Croatia. I was able to cruise around most of the islands in the South Adriatic Sea for the 2020 season with little company of other yachts. There were some owners of sailing yachts like myself, but very few charter boats. The following screen shows the map of the sailing area and the itinerary. Hope you'll enjoy my videos and perhaps learn something about the beauty of the country of Croatia. My name is Nav, and I am the skipper and owner of the sailing yacht Margarit, sailing here out of the Split Harbor in Croatia 2020. Island of Lopud, from Lopud Bay to Sanj Beach.
July 28, 2020. I'm just about to go down the stairs here towards the beach of Zunj, and so we decided to take the shortcut, and then we're going to go around this road, but it looks simply like a jungle, and the road it's made of stones all the way up, and it's just as precious, as beautiful as it can be. Going towards the beach, which is in the bottom of this cliff. So just wanted to share with you, and we are going to spend the night here, one more night, and then we are going to go to Split. Not Split, Dubrovnik. July 27, 2020. Finally, we are in the beach of Zunj, which is on the other side of Lopud. A lovely beach, just as peaceful as it can be, with people around. Today is Monday, and basically just the right number of people here. Some boats at the end, but an interesting thing about this island is that to come here you have to cross the island, so we just cross the island walking, but they have also these electric taxi cars or something to do it, but crossing it by foot, it's very lovely. You get into this kind of forest, and it's downhill, very nice walk, and then you can come to the beach and just jump into the water. So this is it. I'm going to take a splash now into this magnificent beach, and